Forget everything you thought AI could do. What if your marketing tool wasn't just smart, but alive? This is Head, an AI marketer that doesn't just assist, it evolves, adapts, and outsmarts human experts. It's not a tool, it's a new species, and it might be just the future of your business. Today I'm diving into a new AI platform that's making headlines. Head, the world's first AI marketer. It's built to become your marketing team from strategy to execution, and it's already proven to generate over $100 million in revenue. Let's take a look at what makes this tool so revolutionary and why people are saying it could replace the entire marketing departments. Head describes itself as a living AI species, not just smart, but evolving with your brand's DNA. It learns your tone, your goals, your audience, and then runs with it. From daily content, ad campaigns to strategy, it works like a marketing superhero that never sleeps. You tell it what you want, it figures out how to get there, and gets better every time. The hype is real. Head has already generated over $100 million in sales across its client base. It gives you actual numbers, views, clicks, conversions, and not just vague impression. Want to launch an influencer campaign, run affiliate outreach, it handles all of it. Head isn't just doing the work faster, it's doing it better at scale. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. I have a link down below in the description that you can click on and you can start putting together your first campaign right away. I'm just going to click on Start for Free and I'm going to go and create an account with Google. The first thing that I want to do is go over to DNA. This is where I'm just going to go and put in my domain of my website, and I'm just going to use my own. So we're going to start shaping Head's DNA. So we can put the link in and I'll paste mine in and I'll start now. It's going to go through and find all this information about Teachers Tech so it understands the brand and the identity of this. And this takes a few minutes to do. So this only took about 1 minute to do, but it gives me an idea how it pulled the information about my brand image here just by putting in my domain address here. So it's gotten some image through here, the tone of voice. It even has a thing about related brands where I can see who I might want to be checking out to see what they're doing in that same field. I'm going to go and click continue now. And the next step will be to start a campaign. So I'm just going to click on it. Now we have our AI marketer here. All I have to do is put in my website again and click generate. And this is going to start Head thinking and how to attack the campaign. Now, first of all, what do you want? Influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, cold email. I'm just going to leave this at influence marketing right here. And I'm going to go up top and click next. So now it's pulled the basic information. It even grabbed my logo from my website. I want to point out this is the service type. What is it that you're marketing? Is a web app, mobile app? You can see the list here. I'm just leaving this as a web app now. We have our business introduction for the plan, the core selling points. Notice any of these can be deleted if you don't like them, or you could add your own here just by clicking. We have our core audiences that it took from the DNA and the searching. So it's pulled together who might be the people looking for this, what I'm selling. And then there's even advanced settings where you can go a little bit further and taking a look at adding gender and age inside. I'm just going to go and click next. Now at this point, you can pick your influencer payment. If you drop down, you can pick different amounts. I want to point out right here, anytime you see this, you can go ahead and ask Head questions at any time if you need any help with anything. At this point, you can go ahead and click release or save it as a draft. If I click release, and at this point, they do review the application. I can go import and see what happens next, and it will walk you through what happens. Now, as somebody that's worked with Head and the brands here, I really like the workflow of this. So I get an invite, the AI finds me and matches me with a brand, I show interest, and the brand can confirm this. And then the whole timeline is set up, and then it's just handing in a draft. And if they approve it, then you go ahead and create the video. And that whole time, the funds are put into an escrow protected account. So I can't touch it, or it's sitting there for the brand. And if the influencer doesn't deliver, then the money goes back to the brand. So it's very protected. When you're back on the home page here, you'll have your report page where you can check the performance of your campaign. So here's the big question. Will AI marketers like Head replace real people? Honestly, maybe, but here's the thing. This isn't about losing your job, it's about evolving with the tools. The people who win next, they'll be the ones using AI to do more, not fearing it. So whether you're building a brand, scaling a business, or just want your time back, Head is here to change the way you think about marketing. It's not a tool, it's a new kind of teammate. Try today with the link at the top of the description.